Number 2 is summary. Before we know how to answer the summary questions, we have to say that the summary, or to make a summary or summarize, is to write in brief, to write in short. Make a summary means to write down the most important information, the central ideas, either from a piece of writing or spoken language. While writing the main points of a paragraph, for example, or a passage, you have to leave out unnecessary or unimportant information. Also, you have to avoid repetition. But our task in the exam is to answer a question from a short paragraph. So see here how to answer the summary question. First, or number 1, read the whole passage slowly and carefully. This reading will help you to know the general idea about the passage, what the passage is talking about. Number 2, there is a question below the passage. Your aim is to read the questions. Pick out the key sentences. Key sentences, the sentence that answer the question, and then underline them. Number 3, write down the main points you have underlined using your own words as far as possible. Try to find the words that express your ideas. Don't misuse words or use the wrong words. This may change the meaning of the sentence. Number 4, you should consider the word limit. For example, if you asked to write in not more than 20 words, you can write up to 25 words. Your answer should be a connected piece of writing, means your answer should be in a paragraph, just like the passage or the paragraph. Here we have example number 1. Read the following passage carefully. Look for the main ideas. That means you should avoid small details. And then in your own words, as far as possible. As far as possible means that you can use some of the words in the passage. Write a summary. Your answer should be a connected piece of writing. Do not write in short notes. Write in complete sentences using the connectives or any joining words. First, we will read the passage. Education for girls is important in giving them the chance of a healthier and happier life. It's also important for society as a whole. An educated woman has the skills, information, and self-confidence she needs to be a better parent, worker, and citizen. She is also more productive at work. Now read the questions. In not more than 25 words, summarize the importance of education for girls. Your first task is to underline the key sentence, any sentence that gives the answer to your questions. Look at the passage. Here we have education gives girls the chance of a healthier and happier life. This is a key sentence. Educated woman has skills, information, and self-confidence. She needs to be a better parent, worker, and citizen. more productive at work. The underlined phrase or sentences are the key sentences. You have to join them together and write them in a connected piece of writing in a short paragraph. Look at the answer, the model answer. Girls' education makes their life more comfortable and healthier. Girls acquire skills and information, so they become better mothers, workers, and citizens. Their production increases. There is no model answer in a summary. Students write different answers, but you have to keep to the key sentences, and you have to write in a paragraph, a short paragraph, not more here than 25 words. You can write up to 30 words. This is not a model answer. You can start with education gives women a healthier and happier life. Also, educated women has the skills and information to be better mothers or workers. Also, educated women are more productive at work. You can write different answer, but you have to keep to the key sentences. Example number 2. Read the following passage carefully, look for the main ideas, and then in your own words as far as possible, write a summary. Your answer should be a connected piece of writing. Your answer should be a connected piece of writing is very important. You should not use numbers. You should not write in short notes. You have to write in complete sentences and in one paragraph. The passage. The Sudan is indeed large, one of the biggest countries in Africa. Our livestock resources are great. Our fruit and vegetables also have a large export potential. We have plenty of water, and the cost of irrigation is quite low. Our Red Sea coastal waters are rich in fish. We also have gold, chrome, marble, and granite. We have oil and natural gas. In not more than 25 words, summarize why our country is one of the richest countries in Africa. First, you have to underline the key sentences. Number 4, you should consider the word limit. For example, if you ask to write in not more than 20 words, you can write up to 25 words. Example number 3, the same title. Read the following passage carefully. Look for the main ideas and then in your own ways as far as possible write a summary. Your answer should be a connected piece of writing. Education means acquiring knowledge and skills that will help a person to develop himself, earn his living, and contribute to the development and prosperity of society. Therefore, education helps us to know things and to be able to do things. The reason for education is to help us to develop as people, to earn money for ourselves and our families, and also to help the people around us. Look at the questions. In not more than 20 ways, summarize how education is important to a person. What is the importance of education? If you look at this passage, it has 2 paragraphs. Paragraph number 2 starts with therefore, is a repetition for paragraph number 1. Remember that we avoid repetition when we are doing or writing a summary. Let us underline the key sentences. Acquiring knowledge and skills that help a person to develop himself, earn his living, and contribute to the development and prosperity of society. We should not go to the second paragraph because it is a repetition from the first paragraph. So we can say a person acquire knowledge and skills which help him to develop himself, or to get money and help the society, or help in the development and success of society. This is an answer. Let us see the model answer. Education enables a person to get knowledge and skills. An educated person gains money that helps himself, family, and society.